Hey, what up guys? Yeah, got something kind of cool here. This is my brand new SIMPSON MegaShot 3200 PSI. This thing is shooting out like 2.5 GPM, that's gallons per minute. This is a gas pressure washer that I got, and I got it for, pressure washing the cement in the back. I want to do the driveway, the garage, but it's also so I could hook up my foam cannon and get into some foam porn. So yeah, we're gonna go down, put the oil in it, connect all the hoses, get everything ready. Anyways, this retails for about $399 from Lowe's. That's where I got it. And yeah, so I'm gonna stop talking. Let's go down and check it out. Like, okay, so here's the pressure washer, brand new with the 190 Honda GC motor. And yeah, right here is just some tags and stuff. Always treat your fuel with ethanol shield, fuel stabilizer. No engine oil. So it's telling you to add oil first. Don't just crank it up and get going. Okay, so here's where you would add your gas. It's letting you know there's no oil in there. And on this side is where you would check and add your oil. So always check this first. As you can see, there is zilch. Okay, so let's go ahead and use the oil that's provided. I'll put that in right here. So we'll go ahead and finish that off. Now I'll switch this back around and let's go ahead and put some gas in here. So here's our hose that's gonna go to the pressure washer, and here's where we're gonna put the garden hose. But I'm a big fan of Orbit's Quick Connect, so I'm gonna put on one of their Quick Connects because all my hoses and adapters and nozzles and all that stuff here at my house utilize the Quick Connect. So my hose will just snap on, and then I press down to pull it off. I don't have to keep messing with the threads. And I just added some lithium grease to the threads really quick. That way, if calcium and stuff gets in there and sits there for a long time, it won't seize up and I will have a hard time trying to get it off. All right, so let's go ahead and connect this to one end. Pressure washer, great tool to have around the house. Pressure washing your deck, your fence, your garage, your driveway, or if you want to connect it to wash your car, foam cannon. Okay, and here's the wand. And we'll go ahead and connect that to the hose. And we'll go ahead and screw this on. Here are your different nozzle tips, fittings, and they are color coded for you. So you couldn't mess this up if you tried. All right, so put your 40 here. 0 there, 25, 15, and for your soap. You're good to go. Now when you're done using it and you're gonna store it, it's better to put it on this way. But since we're going to go ahead and use it today, we'll line this up and put it on like so. Push in, it'll slide down and lock into place. Okay, so we're all done. We're ready to rock and roll. The only thing left to do is make sure this is in the on position, connect the hose, and then hold down the trigger for about 30 seconds till you see water coming out of the gun without starting the motor. We just want to prime the engine, get the water going in there. And then I'll just tug on this a little bit just to get the oil moving in there. And then also make sure the choke is out. Start it. Once it's running, push in the choke and you're good to go. Now, I'm gonna add some Chemical Guys snow foam in here with warm water. For the best results, use warm water. I'm gonna add about 2 ounces or so of snow foam in here. Then the rest will be warm water. And then I'll just connect this. And I'm rocking and rolling. So let's try it out. All right, guys.